Besh, ang effective talaga niya. Like, 1 week lang, nawala na yung pimples ko. Like, promise. Hi guys, it's Lester and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is we're gonna review these products from Organic Skin. So if you want to know my thoughts and experience about these products, then keep on watching. So disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video, so kung ano mang sasabihin ko ngayon is purely based on my experience only. So first, let's talk about their Organic Skin Anti-Acne Soap. So this soap has a lot of pros and cons. One of the pros is that after kong ginamit to is like nag-soften talaga yung face ko. Like I can feel my face na nag-soften siya even though I have bumps on my face because of my acne. But still, I can feel the softness in my face after I use this. And next pros about this soap is ang sobrang mura lang niya, besh. So nabili ko to siya for 89 pesos ata. So like ang mura lang talaga niya, and it's very accessible because you can buy this at Shopee. So ang cons naman ng soap na to is ang dali niyang maubos, besh. Like it only took me 1 week to like para maubos tong sabon na to. Like ganyan siya kabilis maubos, besh. And I used it twice a day because like I use it for washing my face in the morning and also in the evening. So like ang dali talaga niyang maubos. So like if you don't want for it to like madaling maubos, you can cut it in halves so that you can make tipid-tipid. So next con for this soap is that ang hapdi niya sa mukha, besh. Like after like the first time that I used it, like, hindi pa siya ganun kahapde because, I don't know, like, hindi pa siya ganun kahapde. Pero the second day that I use it, like, I can feel like my face is burning, besh. Like, ang hapdi talaga niya. Pero, I think that's natural because it has a kojic acid and kojic acid tends to, like, mahapdi siya sa mukha. So, maybe that's why it's mahapdi. So, I don't know if it's a con, but still, ang hapdi niya, besh. Last con that I observe about this Organic Skin soap is it's so drying. Like sobrang dry niya. Like so one time after I took a bath, like I sat on my bed and then I noticed that my skin is so dry, besh. Like when I scratch it like that, you can see a line. Like it's so dry. Like I'm gonna insert a video right here. Yes, it's so drying talaga, but you can solve it by using a lotion. So you can just apply a lotion on your body, but as of for your face, like it's not that I didn't notice that my face became dry or what. I just noticed that my hands or my arms were dry. So after talking about the pros and cons of the soap, let's now head into the toner. First pros for the toner is that it really does tone my face. Like as you can see, like some of my dark spots or like uneven skin tone like is now gone after like I use it for like around 3 weeks. Like it does really tones my face. Like kudos to this toner because it does its job in toning my face. But as of for my acne, like some of my acnes are gone, like especially on my forehead. Like I can't barely feel any bumps. Like some like all of these are like acne marks. So yeah, acne marks na lang ang natira sa ano ko, like sa forehead. Like I can feel some bumps like this one and also this one. Like on my forehead, I feel 2 bumps. Unlike nung hindi ko pa to ginamit, like ang dami talagang pimples sa forehead ko. Like ang sakit talaga niyang ano, besh, like yung hawakan kasi like marami siyang bumps of pimples and acne. So like ang sakit talaga niya pag hawakan. Pero ngayon, it's not that painful because it doesn't have any pimples now on my forehead, and that's a good thing. So another pros that I have noticed about this toner is that it really does clean deep-seated dirt na hindi nawawala kapag naghugas ka lang ng mukha. Like it really does pick up some dirt on your face. Like even though like feel mo na nawala na talagang dumi sa mukha mo, pero pag ginamit mo to, besh, meron pa talagang dumi siyang makukuha, besh. I don't know if you can see this, but meron talaga siyang napipick up na dirt. Like, I don't know if you can see that. Like, it really does pick up some excess dirt on your face. Now, let's head on to the cons of this toner. So, first con that I have noticed is that it has a strong fragrance, and for me, like, I don't like for my skincare products to have a strong fragrance because it tends to irritates my skin. Like, ang hapdi niya sa mukha, besh. Like, yeah, that's another con of this toner. Like, ang hapdi niya sa mukha, besh. Like, when you apply this, like, you can really feel your face stinging. Like, oh my gosh. Like, ito talaga yung literal na tiis ganda, besh. I hope they can fix the fragrance because I think that's the reason why mahapdi siya, because it has a strong fragrance. Like, I really wish they could minimize the fragrance or like at least like put no fragrance at all. So by the way, all of their products have the same fragrance, and yeah. So see, like after kong ginamit siya sa buong mukha ko, like it still has dirt. Like even though I washed my face twice, it still picks up dirt. Like as you can see, like ganyan siya ka ano besh, like kagaling kumuha ng mga deep-seated dirt. So take note. So after dealing with their toner, so let's now head on to their anti-acne whitening serum. So this serum is what I love the most. Like, it's a bittersweet experience using this product. Before heading on to the pros, let's first head on to the cons. So the cons of this serum is that ang hapdi niya, besh. Like, kahit itapdi ko lang siya sa mukha ko like this, like that, I can already feel my forehead stinging even though like it's just like that. Like I can already feel like my face stinging. Like ang hapdi niya talaga, besh. Ganun siya kahapdi. Like ang hapdi niya. And maybe that's because of the fragrance again, because one thing that I have noticed, if I use like over like yung mga skincare na like mababango, like yung sobrang tapang ng fragrance, like mahapdi talaga siya sa mukha, besh. And the first time that I used this serum, like after I use it, I have, oh my gosh, besh, like right now I can already feel my face stinging. So like, but the stinging sensation will be gone once you blend it or like you spread it onto your face. Like mawawala na siya agad if i-blend mo na siya. So one thing that I have noticed that after I used this on for the first time, like it gave me like a redness in this area. Like I'm gonna insert a video. So besh, right after I used the serum, like this is what happens. Like may pula dito sa ano ko, like in this area. Mula siya in this area. Namula talaga siya in this area, besh. So yeah, nagkaroon talaga ako ng redness sa mukha after I used it for the first time. Just like all of their products, like I really don't love their fragrance. Like it's so strong. Sobrang bango lang niya. Like nasobrahan lang siya sa fragrance. So now let's talk about the pros of this serum. So first pros that I have noticed is that it really gives my face a glowing effect. Like as you can see, like it gives my face a luminous glow. Hindi naman yung like oily glow. Like it gives my face like a healthy glow. Like it makes my face looks healthy. Like as you can see, ang glowy niya sa mukha. Even though I have a lot of pimple marks, it still gives my face a luminous glow, like glass skin effect, besh. So another pros is that it hydrates my skin. So it's perfect because the toner is so drying, so you really need to like moisturize your face or to bring moisture back to your face after using this toner, which is so acidic. So it really does hydrates your skin after you use it. Like I can see that my face is healthy and I can also feel that it's healthy. Like ganyan yung vibes na nabibigay niya sa akin. So now I will give my overall experience or like observations about these products from Organic Skin. So first, I can, even though it doesn't like fully recovered my face from acne, I can still recommend it for long-term use. As of now, I can see some difference, but it's not that great wherein like I will say like, besh, ang effective talaga niya. Like 1 week lang nawala na yung pimples ko, like promise. I can't say that because hindi naman nawala yung pimples ko after 1 week. Like, it took me almost 3 weeks para mawala yung, like, some of my pimples on my forehead. Yeah. Right now, as you can see, like, nawala na talaga yung mga pimples ko sa forehead ko. Like, I can feel like 1, 2, 3. I can feel 4 bumps on my forehead and the rest are pimple marks. So that's good. As up for whitening, like, I can really observe that my face lightens a bit. Like, nakikita ko naman na like nagla-lighten yung face ko. Pero it's not that great na like I can really say na like mapuputi ka talaga in just 1 week. So like you can use it like, yeah. Oh bash, because it, it doesn't. I can really say that it is effective, but not for a short-term use. Like, hindi siya yung like, gumamit ka ngayon, after 1 week, nawawala ng pimples. Hindi siya ganun. Like, it will took you a long time for it to give effect on your face. With that being said, I still recommend these products from Organic Skin for a long-term use. Like, it really is a skincare. Kailangan talaga siya maging parte ng skincare routine mo for a long term. Like, hindi yung 1 week lang, or 2 weeks, or 3 weeks. Like, bash, you need to use it for a long term for you to be able to see the effects. Because as of now, I can really see that maganda talaga siyang gamitin for a long-term use. But as of for me, like, I am really aiming to remove all of these pimples and acne marks as soon as possible. So like, if ikaw yung kagaya ko, so this product is not for you. But if you are that mataas yung pasensya mo, you can wait for a long time, then this product is perfect for you. Because even though like right now I just use it for almost 3 weeks, and yeah, I'm loving the effects. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you find it helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and please do subscribe down below, and please click the notification bell to keep you notified whenever I post something new on my YouTube channel. So that is it for today, guys. Bye!